friends, it's Mrs. Kabai again. So today we are going to do a letter sort. So we have 2 letters that we're going to talk about. And you have done all of them with Milo, but the first letter is who knows what that letter is? It's a T. A T, 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 a T. The other letter we're going to talk about is what's that letter? An L for lick our lollipop. An L. So a T and an L. T and L. Those are the 2 letters that we're going to sort today. So I have a bunch of things on our table here, and we have to figure out if they start with a t, t, t sound or an o sound. You gonna help me? All right, here we go. So let's look at our table here. Okay. So here we go. We have a, what's this? T, t, turtle. See our T for t, t, turtle. And all the way up here, we have our lion for L, lion. Okay, look at all of these things I have over here. Okay, we're gonna start with this right here. Does anybody know what that is? This is lettuce. Can you figure out if lettuce starts with an o sound or a t, t, t sound? Let's see. Lettuce. Lettuce. What do you think? Yeah, lettuce starts with an L, or lettuce. All right, what is next? What do we have? What do we have? Oh, here's another food. Tomato. Can you see that? A tomato. Say it out loud. Tomato. Let's see. Does a tomato start with t, 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 like turtle? Tomato. Turtle. And do those start with the same sound? Or tomato, like lion. Tomato, lion. T, t, t. Tomato starts with a T, like a turtle. Oh, look at that. We have 1 for lion, and we have 1 for turtle, our t, t, T sound. All right, here's another one. Are you ready? Ooh, what's this? Tire. A tire, like on a car or a bike. Tire. Can you say that one? Tire. All right, let's use our brain power and decide. Does it go with t, t, t sound? Like turtle and tire? Or does it start with a ol sound? Tire, lion. Do those sound the same? T or ol, t, t, tire. Oh, it starts with a T for t, t, tire, turtle. Oh, they sound the same. T, tire, t, t, turtle. Starts with the same sound. What is next? Oh boy, this one's kind of funny. Look at this guy. Can you see him? He's a lizard. All right, we have a lizard. We have to decide, does lizard start with the same sound as lion? Lion, lizard? Or does it start with the same sound as turtle? Turtle. Turtle, lizard. Lion, lizard. What do you think? Oh, goes under lion. Lion and lizard start with the same sound. Oh man, look at friends. We have 2 and 2. What's the next one gonna be, do you think? Oh, this one's so funny. Look at, do you know what those are? Teeth. All right, here we go. Teeth. Whoopsies. Does teeth start with the same sound as turtle or the same sound as lion? Let's see. Let's say it together. Turtle, teeth. Turtle, teeth. Does that sound the same? Or lion, teeth? Oh, it starts with the same sound as turtle or teeth. Oh, so we have one left. This one's kind of silly too. Lipstick. Lipstick. Some people put it on their lips. It can be different colors. Lipstick. So let's see. Can probably figure out which one it is because we only have one left. But lipstick, turtle. Lipstick, turtle. Does that the same sound? Or lion, lipstick. Lion, lipstick. Oh, I hear it. It starts with the same sound. Lipstick, lion. So we'll put it here. Look at that, friends, we did it. We have 3 and 3. Our turtle starts with the same sound as tomato, tire, and teeth. And our lion starts with the same sound as lettuce, lizard, and lipstick. You guys did it. Nice work. All right. Well, I hope you guys had fun with our activity, and I will talk to you later. Bye, friends.